Hi, hope you're doing well. So I wanted to give you a brief demo of Brilliant Closer. Now, for a bit of context, the reason why I've developed this software is simply for the fact that many sales organizations have leads that fall through the cracks, and this software's primary purpose is to enhance lead management so that leads don't fall through the cracks. You have a more refined way of looking at the leads, seeing the progress of each lead that comes through, because as we know, leads are very important and they cost a lot of money sometimes. So it's important that there is a system to manage the leads. And this would be for a creative strategist, someone who's a media buyer, someone whose job is to ensure that lead performance is optimal. Okay. Now, you could have access to multiple team members so they can update their own notes, and there'll be more changes and upgrades coming later down the line. But this is version 1 and I'm very happy with it. So let's get into it. So as you can see here, we have the launch screen. So once you create an account or log in, this is what you'll see. So you've got your team, right? So I've got no assigned leads at the moment. This is from scratch. I've deleted the data from my database here, and you could add your team members right here. And when you add your team members, these will be your sales force, your brokers, your sales reps, whatever the case may be. Then you have your leads tab. So you'll upload leads, view your leads, manage, manual, unassigned, assigned. So if we look at this, just to see the views, this is where you upload your CSV data, which I'll do in a second. All the leads will show up here. And of course, because there's no leads in the database, you won't see anything, which is good and how it's supposed to be. So moving forward, you've got pipeline. As you can see, it's loading because there is no pipeline here. And once you do, it'll come up. And here's where you add your products. So I've already added mine in here just as an example here. And profile, pretty much just your name, email, etc. So let's start with putting some data into this system, okay? So as you can see, we've got no leads at the minute. So what I'm going to do is upload a CSV file like so. Let's move this out the way. And when I press submit, lead saved successfully. I can check in the cloud that they have uploaded. And if I go back here, you'll see loaded leads, which is great. Right now, if I wanted to delete those leads, I just go here. And now to assign those leads to a team member, I simply select my team member, assign, assign, assign. And as I'm assigning all of these leads here, so that's enough for now, you'll go back to your team, click on your team member, and voila. You've got all of your leads assigned here. So this is great because as a creative strategist, if you're wanting to measure, the performance of the leads that you're getting, that you're generating on Meta, Google, whatever the case may be, TikTok, then having the names of each individual, the pipeline value, the product that they're interested in, the funnel, more importantly, where they came from, you then start to get a picture of what's actually going on with these leads in a very simple way, visual way. It's not overcomplicated. It's just very simple. And of course, here you've got the different levels of commitment. So let's just say Jones Sean, right? And let's just say he came from a YouTube funnel, right? And the product is Brilliant Video. Pipeline is going to be $500. And let's just say we've closed him. Great lead, closed in one call. Oops. Not food. Great lead, closed in one call. Yep. Full stop and save changes. So now if you see, we'll go back to our pipeline, and as you can see, the application has updated the pipeline funnel. So we've got 500 closed. That is by Jones Sean. Where did he come from? YouTube funnel. What was the value? 500, right? We can actually see the performance. And this is the great thing about Brilliant Closer is it doesn't have to have all the bells and whistles to actually do the job. We know that when we are running ads, we're getting data from Meta or Google, and it's going to be, whether it's a Zapier into your own CRM. But this is where all the complications arise. You're using too much technology and it just overwhelms people, and it actually leads to a lack of productivity. So with something like Brilliant Closer, I know what my products are. This is what I'm selling. Okay, pretty simple. I know who my team members are. That's where they are, right? I know what my leads are and where they're from. There we go. I can manage my leads, get rid of them. I can add manual leads if I want, as I said. And now, if, for example, let's just say I've got these assigned leads and they are to IRL Bobby. Let's just say he's not performing, so we're going to unassign these, right? And those leads go back into the database. So you can keep track of performance of the leads, more importantly, if, a sales member or broker, sales rep isn't performing, which is normal in any sales environment. But having this ease of use, almost childlike software, you can actually get a better handle of what's going on in your pipeline process. So that's Brilliant Closer.